welcome back to another video. I have another product for you guys. Are you ready? Bing! Can you see it? I don't even know if you can see it. Guess what color it is, you guys? It's beige! Okay, so let's open it together. I have not opened it. The sticker is still on. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it together. I like the packaging. You know how I feel about techie stuff. Get straight to the point on the box. I don't want to read a manual. Ooh. So far, this is what the inside of the packaging looks like. I also like that the box is beige and white. Okay. It smells like soap. I don't know why. It comes with a manual. It comes with an adapter. Oh, it looks like it comes in already charged. My boob pressed on it and it lit up. I'm very excited about this, you guys. Oh, this is so cool. Even Nala's looking at me like, girl, what you got over there? Okay, so it comes with an adapter, USB-A to a cable, USB-A and USB-C. Okay, which is good because that's kind of the universal connection at the moment anyway. This is darling. Absolutely darling. Not only is it beige, but it has like those woody tones, which I have in all throughout my apartment, so this is great. And it has a cool little flip direction thing here too. It just tells you what everything is: mode switch, Bluetooth, radio, and that's all the buttons right here. Okay. It has this adorable lit up handle. The charger's on the bottom there, and so are the speakers. Ugh. This is so cool, you guys. I'm ecstatic. Ecstatic. Alright, so... Ooh! Okay. So you touch it. Ah, mira eso. You touch it, and it has 3 levels of brightness. 1, 2, 3. So cool. Okay, so let's read a little bit more about it on the box, and then I will charge it for 5 minutes as the directions say. Play around with it and show you where I'm stationing it, show you how I use it, and this should be a lot of fun. So it says portable wireless speaker. It's good for iPad, iPhone, Galaxy Tab, or smartphones. Very cool. 6-in-1 multifunctional alarm clock. It has a wireless speaker, wireless charger, LED light, alarm clock, FM radio, and mobile phone stand. So I'll show you all of these in little clips here and there. Here's a picture of how it can be used. Just put it right there. I love that there's pictures all around the box because I'm a very visual person. And it's a 15-watt wireless charger. Here's where you can use it as a mobile holder for a horizontal or vertical. So now let's get using it, which I'm super excited. Okay, so here we have the beautiful, beautiful clock. It's like a linen fabric with wood tones, beigey. It's very cool. So you guys already know, right? Let's look at some of the stuff here. So on the box, it shows that you can use it as a phone holder. So let's do that really quick. So here's my phone. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn it the other way. So even if you're FaceTiming, you could just answer and do it like that. You can change how you want it to be with just the handle right here. Okay, mode. And we want to change it to what time it is right now. Okay, so I changed the time here. So mode, the time is 1:30. So that's 1:30, okay. And then if I wanted to put an alarm, I'd put an alarm, but I don't. The hours, we want it at 12 hours, or you can do the military time. It's 2024. And it is 1:30. Okay, we have the Bluetooth here. Because with the Bluetooth, I can pair it with the phone to play music. And then what's really cool, one of the main things that I like about this is, like, this light would disturb me if I'm sleeping. But I can make it so it's super dim, like you can barely see it. Or I can make it so it's really bright. So I love that very, very much, actually. So it has the wireless speaker, the LED light, wireless charger, alarm clock, FM radio, which I showed you all that stuff, and then the mobile stand. So that is pretty much everything about this wonderful, beautiful device here that I really like a lot. I also want to mention, I don't want to show the screen or anything because I don't know what YouTube will allow, but when you pair this on Bluetooth and you add the speaker, then you can go to Amazon Prime Video and you can actually like watch a movie with the surround sound and it's sitting up like this on your bed or on your nightstand. So I thought that was really, really cool. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's okay. Give it a thumbs down. I will work on improving. And until my next video, besos.